How's it going, everybody? My name is Jake. I'm the owner of Elements Canada Co., and I'd like to welcome you to our official YouTube channel. It's officially begun, guys, so welcome. If you're just joining us, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're gonna start doing our Skoolie conversion here very shortly for you. So we got video number 1 up, and keep you guys updated as much as possible. But we would love for you all to follow along. Find us on Instagram, find us on Facebook, Elements Canada Co., or online at www.elementscanadaco.com. Some work, woodworking, custom epoxy, custom apparel. So if you dream it, we'll build it. Enjoy, follow along, and be sure to check us out online. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Much love, and here we go. What's up, everybody? Guess what we got? So here she is, folks, in all of her glory. The old 92 International still runs like a charm. How about we take a look on inside? Follow me. Come on. Welcome aboard. Come on. We got lots to show ya. Well, here we are, guys. Everything has been taken out. This thing is gonna be completely empty soon. Pretty excited about it. So, check this out. Basically has no rust in it, and it's already been done up. However, our customer would like this to be a year-round tiny home. So, that means that everything has to get gutted. We're going to do a full installation inside and underneath. You know, this thing is stocked, ready to go. Pantries. So, you know, all in all, I was pretty impressed when our customer, well, that was our tow truck guy. So I was pretty impressed when Jess showed this to me, and I got to see it for the first time. But this was the biggest issue. The washroom, which is over top of the wheel hub. So, I mean, it's actually surprisingly comfortable. I mean, like, I could have a nice, I mean, I'm comfortable. I can have a nice morning routine while looking out the window. It's fantastic. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to actually be pushing this bathroom and the shower right next door here all the way to the back. And that's going to be underneath her loft bedroom. So, and then we got the shower, which, you know, considering it's also not so bad. Our customer's a little bit shorter than me. I'm about 5'8", and I can stand in there. But we want to give plenty of headroom. We want comfortability. And, yeah, just make things a lot easier. So, that's what we got, folks. So, guys, this is going to be the start of our Skoolie conversion journey. I'm really excited about this project. This is the biggest project that we've done to date, which is awesome. Check it out, Little Seafoam Skoolie on Instagram, elementscanadaco.com. This is going to be really exciting, guys. We're going to have a series on YouTube with this as well. So be sure to check that out. You're going to get glimpses on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Hope you guys follow along on our journey here. It's gonna be one hell of a ride, I think. If anything, it's just gonna be a blast. It's just gonna be a blast. I guess the next step is demolition time, guys. So, whew, make sure you strap in. This is gonna be a wild ride. Woo!